Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Infinix model and Android version so you know which menu labels to expect. Once done, plug headphones or use the speaker to identify whether the issue is earpiece, media, or call audio. Next, open Settings, go straight to Sound and Vibration, and find the Media Volume slider. Tap and drag the media slider while playing a test file. Listen for changes. If nothing moves, proceed immediately to the sound enhancements, and app-specific volume controls will adjust next. Now you dig into app-specific controls and system sound enhancements because many problems live there. First, select the problematic app in Settings Apps, then force stop it and clear its cache, relaunch and test. Next, disable any equalizer, smart amplifier, or sound effects in sound settings because these can mute or limit media volume. If the phone still misbehaves, reboot into safe mode to see if a third-party app blocks volume. Make sure to test with different media files and both speaker and headphones to pinpoint the cause. Finish by ensuring software is current. Check Google Play and system updates, then install anything pending because updates often restore audio drivers. If that fails, reset app preferences or use settings system reset options to restore sound-related defaults without wiping data. Test again. If the media volume remains low, run a factory reset as a last resort after backing up. Troubleshooting tip: if only one output fails, suspect hardware, clean the jack. Test different headphones and Bluetooth, and seek service if physical damage is likely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.